If you want to enable or disable NFC on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to proceed to Connections, and then in here we should be able to find NFC and contactless payments, which we can easily enable or disable just by simply tapping on this switcher. You can also tap on the option itself in order to choose the default wallet app over here, and also we have other NFC services if in case you need them. Besides that, the NFC button can be added to the control center or quick settings. So if we tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner, then at the bottom we can press add a control. And then in here we can find NFC, which is in connection. So you can either tap on the NFC button to add it to the control center, or you can press and hold your finger and then you can drag it and drop it anywhere. You can, of course, drag it into this expandable area as well. It's going to work too. And over here we can tap on this button to turn on or turn off NFC. Leave a like and subscribe.